Cody.
Hey.
We're back together again.
Yes.
I love it.
Whoa.
Tell everybody where we are.
We are at Fletcher Park. Used to be known as Bonnie Park. Kind of near all the baseball fields and soccer fields.
Okay, and what's the name of this lake?
We call it Bonnie Pond.
Mm-hmm.
It just works naturally. It flows into Lake Bonnie. It takes the stormwater runoff from the park. So yeah.
What am I going to be doing today?
So today you're going to help us plant some native aquatic plants. This project started when we were contacted by Parks and Recreation about having some maintenance issues with their pond. A lot of invasive plants growing out here, kind of taking over. They didn't have a way of treating it. So in coordination with them, we are helping them maintain their pond for invasives, and at the same time where it's benefiting us is we're able to use it as a mitigation site for all of our stabilization projects. What that means is basically we'll take donor plants from ditches or other areas that, like for instance, these came from areas that we need to maintenance around outfalls that are going to be dug out anyways. So they're good beneficial plants that we can reuse. So what we do is plant them in here, let them propagate and spread, and then hopefully next season for our next projects next year we'll come back in and harvest a few out of every area and let them fill back in. Long story short, it's just a big aquatic nursery where we're able to grow our own plants, not have to purchase them.
So it's lakes and stormwater being thrifty.
Trying to be thrifty. Yeah, save the money. Yeah.
So I am going to get a little messy on this one, I think,
yes,
or
you are.
something, which is good. I've been asking for that. So tell me what I'm doing and let's go do it.
So we're planting mostly pickerelweed right now. It's got a nice emergent flower. It's a purple flower when it's blooming. So what we're going to do, these are all bare root plants. There's no soil with them. They're just the actual bulb of the plant. So we'll take the shovel. It's very simple. We just put it in the mud and push it down with your foot like you normally would to take a scoop out. But we're not going to actually remove it. We're just going to push the shovel forward and plant it behind the shovel.
Okay.
And then you pull your shovel out and then you can just kind of step around it with your foot and move on to the next one.
Well, let's do it.
Let's see. I think we got plenty of shovels down here. Got the guys already working on it.
My buddy over there.
How are you?
Good. So it's really, it's not as deep as I thought it was going to be.
There are holes, I will warn you. They're unknown, so it's kind of squishy when you first start to get in. There you go.
And a bit ago we saw an alligator, so you're going to keep an eye out for that. Yes.
Out.
Okay.
Yep.
That's good.
She's our friend. Okay, let me get you some plants. Here's your shovel. So what we do is try to get it down to just the bulb. You can see the roots coming out of it. So you can plant these at any depth. So if you get your...
Here, you do one, and let me kind of see. Foot's stuck.
So what I'll do is I'll take this one. We'll kind of clean them up a little bit. And then I'll just kind of hold it right here. So I have my shovel, stick it straight down in the mud. Push it all the way down till it stops.
Okay.
And then just kind of wiggle it back and forth to move that sediment around. And then I'll just follow the back of the shovel all the way down until I feel it go down in that hole. Pull your shovel out and just kind of hold it there, and then I just step around it like you would on an upland plant.
Woo, okay.
And there it is.
It's done.
It's done.
Okay, now it's my turn. You did that too fast. Do you try to do a certain distance apart?
We just plug them in. They're pretty resilient though. As long as they're in the water, they'll grow. So.
Okay, so shovel in.
All the way down.
And then kind of move it.
Yep. Just kind of wiggle it around.
Oh, I think I'm kind of close to that other one.
And then push it all the way forward. And then feel it kind of go down in there.
Yep.
and then hold your plant down and pull your shovel out. And then just step around it, pack it in.
If I can get my feet unstuck.
Awesome.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
Should be.
That's not right. That's not right, Cody.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
We can
Okay. Take two.
take two.
Okay. Quit being a girl.
We got this.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. I think that feels better. It doesn't.
These are kind of taller, so they don't stand up as well.
It's Is it in?
It's in.
Is it? It's challenging. You guys are laughing at me, and that's fine.
We're laughing with you.
Sure, I'm laughing in the inside. It's harder than it looks
Maybe
because your feet get like
yeah,
sucked up in there, so it's hard to. Oh, this is a good plan. You hold it. Holy cow. Okay, I feel my hole this time.
Looks like I'm getting the hang of it now.
It feels better.
Sometimes I'll just take it and just kind of like stand around it with my feet, just kind of squish it.
That's not right, is it, Cody?
I think maybe we're not getting deep enough.
I think my, cause look at those. Mine doesn't look like that.
Let's use shovel.
But then it's only my third time, so
That's right.
sure, you know.
Maybe it's just too soft right now. Gotta stick them up this way.
Okay, mine aren't the only droopy ones over there. Huh? Yeah, after I get my foot unstuck. Look at that, you're just showing off now.
Maybe try to, I think it's just really soft right there.
Okay. That's what we're gonna go with. It was bad dirt.
Bad dirt.
Bad dirt.
Oh yeah. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Oh, there it went.
I think you got it that time.
I felt it go deeper that time. If this one doesn't stand up, I'm gonna be mad.
Ta-da!
Yes! Success! I don't think people appreciate you guys enough because this is hard work.
Not too bad. We actually enjoy this process more than other things, but
And it's hot.
yeah.
I'm not trying to be like a big baby, I'm just saying.
That's the hard part.
That's your gator friend watching you.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hey! Stay right there.
Smaller ones are a little bit easier to
Oh,
find.
that was so much better. But look how short it is. Come on.
Awesome.
Oh, good Lord.
Well done.
Okay, I am gonna take help. Ugh.
Unnatural.
That's no joke. That's right up there with, I helped pour concrete a couple weeks ago making
Yeah.
a sidewalk. That's right up there with that.
Yeah.
And this isn't the end of their day. You'll finish
Oh, no.
this up and go
No.
do something
Yep.
else.
Yep. We got a lot planned for today, and there's always something. On to the next.
I'll never stop saying it. We don't appreciate all that goes on behind the scenes until you actually get in and do it.
Yeah.
You just see things and just, oh, a sidewalk appeared. Oh, plants. No.
Yep.
Someone had to do it.
Yeah, it's really neat that we're able to share it with the public and just show them what we're doing. And a lot of people don't know the benefits of good native plants and just for stabilization and nutrient uptake. And it's nice that we are using our resources to be able to benefit the city and
And our lakes.
our lakes.
For Lakeland.
That's right.
We do.
We got to
It
take
is
care of them.
always, always, always so great to come out here and work with you guys. I appreciate you putting up with my
No,
with my
anytime.
girliness, and I try to do my best.
We'll
So.
take all the help we can get.
Well, I look forward to the next project with you guys. So thank you, Cody.
You're welcome.